Yes friends, welcome to the science class. In the last class we discussing about the sound topic and we completed the sound chapter and we are discussing about the exercise questions. Already we discussed about 9 questions in the last class. Today we are going to discuss about the remaining questions and we are going to complete this topic in today's class. So next, the 10th question we are going to see. The 10th question is given as explain in what way noise pollution is harmful to humans. Explain in what ways noise pollution is harmful to humans. So if you remember in the last class about studying about the noise pollution, where we discussed about the causes of the noise pollution as well as the harmful effects of the noise pollution as well as the preventive measure of the noise pollution. So the harmful effects of the noise pollution are going to be related to the human beings. They will be harmful for us. They are going to lead to the medical conditions which may be severe or which may be normal one, which will be moderate one. So which are those medical conditions which is going to lead by the noise pollution? That first medical condition, the 10th question, the first medical condition is insomnia. That is nothing but insomnia. Where insomnia is nothing but it is the lack of sleep. We are not going to get sleep because of the noise pollution. The amount of sleep we are actually want to take, it will be less or there will be lack of sleep. There will be no sleep at all. So that condition is nothing but insomnia, which can be led by the what? Which can be happen because of the noise pollution. Second one is going to lead is hypertension. Due to the high noise pollution, we may suffer from the hypertension or high BP. Hypertension or high BP, right? Which can be lead, which is the major disease which is going to be caused by the noise pollution, which is health related one. Or stress or headache also can be happen due to the noise pollution. We are going to suffer from high stress as well as we are going to suffer from the headache due to the noise pollution. Right? This is the third medical condition. In the same manner, if you continuously hearing this sound, which is not good for us, that is nothing but we are continuously hearing the noise, then it is also lead for anxiety. It is also going to lead to the anxiety. This is the fourth medical condition we are going to suffer due to the noise pollution. And last one is nothing but we are going to impair our hearing. There will be impairment of our hearing. Why? If you continuously exposed to the high sound or high noise, our eardrums are going to get damaged. If our eardrums going to get damaged, we can't hear the sound clearly, or it may lead to the complete impairment of the hearing. So the fifth condition is nothing but impairment of the hearing. Impairment of hearing. If there is continuous exposure of the ear to the noise, there will be chances of that we are going to lose our hearing capability. So these are the 5 main medical conditions we are going to suffer due to the noise pollution. Next, 11th question. Now next we are going to see about the 11th question. What is that question? Your parents are going to buy a house. They have been offered one on the roadside, other on the 3 lanes away from the roadside. Which house would you suggest your parents, as well as explain your answer why? Right? Now your parents are going to buy a house. Your parents are going to buy a house. They have been offered one on the roadside, other on the 3 lanes away from the roadside. Right? 4 point. Which house would you suggest your parents should buy, and explain why you are suggesting that house only. So that your parents are going to buy a house which is offered by the broker, one at the roadside roadside. One at the roadside, another 3 lanes away from the roadside, which is inside away from the roadside. Now, which house you are going to prepare or which house you are going to suggest to your parents to buy and why? So, we are going to suggest our parents to buy the house which is present 3 lanes away from the roadside. Which is present 3 lanes away from the roadside. We are not going to suggest the house which is present at the roadside. Why? Because the house which is present away 3 lanes away from the roadside, which is going to suffer less noise pollution. We are going to suffer from less noise pollution. If we are going to suggest the roadside house, it is higher noise pollution. Why? Because of the road, there will be movement of the truck, there will be movement of the vehicles, there will be movement of the lot of automobiles. Right? Those automobiles are going to continuously produce the noise. Because of that, there will be production of the noise pollution. That noise pollution is not good for us. If you are going to take the house at the roadside, it is going to impact or it is going to have effect on our health. Because of that, we are going to suggest our parents to take the house which are 3 lanes inside the or 3 lanes away from the roadside. So there will be less noise pollution. Because of that, our health condition will be correct. It doesn't going to deteriorate. So because of that, we are going to suggest our parents to take the house which is away from the roadside. So this is the answer for the 11th question. Next 12th question. Sketch Larynx and explain its function in your own words. So I am going to provide the PDF for this solution also. So while seeing the PDF, in some PDFs, some answers there will be no diagrams only. So for that, first you have to sketch the larynx diagram. Then you have to write the function which is given in the PDF. Or you can write this answer by in your own words. So what is larynx? Larynx is nothing but what it is. It is the voice box. Which is the voice box? Where it is located? It is located at the upper portion of the windpipe, or it is located at the neck region. So if you want to draw the diagram of those things, it will be like this, and there will be presence of the muscle. These vocal cords are attached to these muscles. These vocal cords are attached to these muscles. So this is present at the windpipe, upper portion of the windpipe. And this larynx is also known as voice box, which is present at the upper portion of the neck or windpipe. So how does it function? There will be presence of the vocal cords, right? After the air which is coming from the lungs, coming from the lungs, due to that air, the vocal cords which are present in those voice box are going to start vibrating. They are going to start vibrating. Because of those vibrations, there will be production of the sound inside the voice box. There will be production of the sound inside the voice box. That sound is produced, and that sound we are going to hear. That sound we are going to hear, which is produced by the vibrations of the vocal cords, which is due to by the action of the air which is present in the lungs. Because of that, there will be production of the sound in our voice box. So this is the answer for the 12th question, and you have to sketch the larynx, which is given in your textbook. Now next we are going to discuss about the 13th question. The next question is 13th one. What is that? Lightning and thunder take place in the sky at the same time and at same distance from us. Lightning is seen earlier and thunder is heard later. Thunder is heard later. So, can you explain why? So, if you know that this is the rainy season, so we are going to experience lot of thunder as well as lot of lightning. So when you see the lightning as well as thunder, we are going to see the first lightning. We are going to see first lightning. After some time, we are going to hear the thunder. The sound which is coming from the thunder, we are going to hear later than the lightning. Why it is so? Right? We have to answer those things. Before that answering that thing, I am going to take another example. Right? If you see that washing of the clothes by your parents or your mom, those cloth. What they are going to do there? They are going to hit that cloth on the rock. Right? When you see those things, we are going to see the hitting of the cloth on the rock first. Then we are going to hear that sound later. Then we are going to hear that sound later after some time. Why it is so? The same way if you take another example while watching the cricket from far away from the ground. Now everyone plays the cricket. When you see that cricket, the hitting of the ball by the batsman can be seen first. We are going to hit that ball, right? Batsman is going to hit that ball. That can be seen first, but the sound of the hitting we are going to hear after some time. So at the exact time we are not going to see that. We are not going to hear the sound. We are going to see that thing, but that exact time we are not going to hear the sound. Why it is so? Why it is different phenomena? Both the activities are happening at the same time only. The ball is hit by the bat at the same time, but we are seeing earlier, we are hearing later. Why it is so? Those answers can be given in only one single answer. All those answers, all those questions have the only one answer. That answer which we are going to give to this question. So if they ask in the examination about this question, either about those questions what I explained now, we have to write same answer only. Whichever I am going to, which one is I am going to explain now. So what is so? Why it is because. Now if you take the example, another example here, we are going to take another example. There are two bikes, right? Two of your friends or both of the siblings, your brother or sister, leaving your home at the exact time. Leaving your home at the exact time and coming back to school, coming to the school. At the exact time, let their time at 9:40 or 9:15, you are leaving your home. Right before 9:40 you should reach your school. So both of your siblings, let the siblings are A and B. A is reaching at 9:10 or 9:25, where B is reaching at 9:40. Right? Both are leaving your home at the exactly same time, but one is reaching at 9:25, second one is reaching at 9:40. Why it is so? Why they are late? B is late, but A is earlier. If I want to give the answer there, we can say that the speed of the A is maximum than the speed of B. A is having the more speed than the B. So that because of that, he is consuming less time, because of that he is coming earlier, whereas B is consuming more time because of his slow speed, he is consuming more time, he is coming late. Right? So that answer can be given to this point, this question. That is nothing but, if we take the speed of light, that is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. That is equal to how much? It is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Whereas speed of the sound, which is equal to 330 meter per second, which is equal to how much? It is equal to 330 meter per second in air medium. In nearly equal to 330, which is 334 meter per second. Actually value is 334 meter per second. When you see that speed of the light and speed of the sound, speed of the light is equal to 3 to 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Speed of the sound is equal to 330 meter per second. When you compare both the values, which one is higher? The speed of light is higher than the speed of the sound, right? So which one is reaching us earlier? As light is reaching us earlier or sound is reaching us earlier? Due to the high speed of this light, whatever we are going to see, it is going to reach us earlier than the sound. So low speed of the sound will hear later. Low speed of the sound we are going to hear sound later. So that the light is going to reach our eyes earlier because of its high speed. After that reaching of the light, the sound is going to reach after some time, since its speed is less. If we take the example here, if you are standing here, the sound is coming, what the activities are happening here, the light is going to go like this very fastly, but the sound is going to travel like this slowly. The light reaching here, the sound will be here. After the reaching, at this point of time, we are seeing the object. So after that point, the sound is going to come. After few seconds, we are going to hear that sound. It is because of why? It is because of the difference of the speeds of those sound as well as light. So the light speed in air medium is nearly equal to 3 to 10 to 8 meters per second, whereas sound is nearly equal to 303 meters per second. So there is a difference of the sound, the speed of the sound. Because of that, they are reaching at different times. Because of that, they are going to hear the sound later than they will see the objects. Because of that, those things. Here your chapter completes. Here your sound chapter, exercise sound chapter completes. In the next class, we are going to start another interesting topic in physics. Up to that point, thank you, take care, stay well.